First you draw one horizontal line like this. Then you mark point A. A is here. Then at 5 mm you mark point B. Then from A you draw radius 25. Now on this line B, if you see, they are given radius 35, right? But there is one more thing. If you observe, this radius 35 is from here. So from here, from this point, let's say this point I will write as C. From C, can you cut arc 35? So you'll get point D. Now from A you draw radius 25 and from D you draw radius 35. It is done. Right? अभी क्या करेंगे? यहाँ से will go up by 45. कहीं से भी will draw one line horizontal, which is 45. We'll draw that. And you take 125 from here and draw vertical line. Then they are given 30. So you will mark point E. ये मिल गया point E. अभी E से F कितना दूर है? 15. Point F भी मिल गया आपको, right? So E से you can draw radius 30. F से you can draw radius 15. वो दो भी हो गया. Now on the same line, यहाँ से 50 लो. From this point you take 50. So that would be point P. I would like to call that as point P. After this, now I want to draw radius 75. Now if you see, this radius 75 is merging to which radius? This radius 30. राइट, ये जो रेडियस 30 है उसको मर्ज कर रहा है और ये जो रेडियस 25 है उसको एक्सटर्नल है. If I draw this, ऐसा आएगा कुछ. And if I draw this radius 30, it will be somewhat like this. Now if I take radius 75, and if I'm drawing, see what is happening. This radius 30 is coming inside, right? This radius 30 came inside and this radius 25 came outside. So if I want to find this radius 75, what I need to do? Here, I will take from point A, you cut how much? 25 plus 75 because it is external. And from point E, you will cut how much? You cut 75 minus 30. So whatever you get, whatever intersection you get from point, let's say A and E. So somewhere around here you will get that point. So let's say that point is Q. So from Q you draw radius 75. All of you understood? Okay, now we have to draw radius 70. So if I want to draw radius 70, right? And if I see what I have to draw in 70, 70 is this, right? But if you see inside 70, we have radius 15. Now tell me whether it is internal or external. Internal, right? And we have one more circle. Radius 35. So ये जो रेडियस 35 है वो क्या है, वो एक्सटर्नल है. So what we need to do, from point D you cut 35 plus 70, and from point F से you cut how much? 70 minus 15. ये समझा आपको? So इसका जहाँ पे भी कर्व आएगा यहाँ ऊपर कहीं पे भी आएगा, you know, it will be somewhat here, ऐसा कुछ आएगा. इसको मैं R लिखता हूँ. Got it? The radius 35 and radius 50. Now in this, one important thing is I have actually written P, point P, right? So now if I want to take 35 is merging in 15 and it is touching this point P. So what you need to do, from P you cut 35 and from F you cut 35 minus 15. Got it? Because it is internal, na? Same with radius 50. Radius 50 is touching point P and it is internal to 30. So from P you cut 50 and from E you cut, how much you cut? 50 minus 30. Understood? When you do this, from F you cut how much? 35 minus 15. That is somewhere around 20. And from P you cut 35. You get this point S. And from S you can draw this radius 35. Same way, from E you cut how much? 50 minus 30. By 50 minus 30, this is 50 and this is 30. So you cut 20. And from P you cut 50. You get somewhere here. I'm doing it rough form, just make sure. And from there you can draw radius. So this way it will help you.